Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use Excel as a beginner, so let's get started. First up, let's talk about fonts and text formatting. You can easily change the font style, size, make your text bold, italic, or underline it. This helps organize your sheet and highlight important information. Next, we have alignment and text wrapping. If your text doesn't fit in one cell, click on Wrap Text so it stays inside. You can also use Merge and Center to make neat headings across multiple columns. Another common use is number formatting. Excel lets you quickly change numbers into currency, percentages, or dates. Just select your cells and pick the format you want from the Home tab. Now, let's look at basic formulas. Use equal sign sum to add numbers, equal sign average to find the mean, and you can also multiply or divide with simple formulas. Excel calculates everything instantly. Finally, a quick one charts. Select your data, go to Insert, and choose a chart like column, line, or pie. This makes your data easy to understand at a glance. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.